Hi, I'm Melissa. So you're considering a move? Maybe your home is too large now and you're tired of climbing the stairs every night to go to bed. Or maybe you're just looking for something new and modern with less upkeep. Let's see if Fields at Oakwood is just what you had in mind. Do you desire a home with an open layout where you can put an end to trekking up and down the stairs? Here you can have everything on the main level. Your bedroom with an attached bath and walk-in closet is conveniently located near your oversized laundry room. Grandkids and guests will always have a place to visit with extra bedrooms available. And flex rooms mean you still have your home office, craft room, or even a formal dining space. Are you tired of your closed-off kitchen layout and your outdated features? We can fix that for you. A modern, open kitchen with an expansive island and included appliances means you'll enjoy hosting the holidays and having friends and family over. With energy-efficient appliances, you'll save money on utilities, and since it's all brand new, you can say goodbye to repairs and endless maintenance. At Fields at Oakwood, you'll have more time for traveling, visiting family, or just doing the things you love without having to worry about maintaining your home. Beautiful, low-maintenance exteriors welcome you home without you having to worry about lawn care or maintenance. Enjoy all the things White House has to offer when you call Fields at Oakwood home. Here, you're just 3 miles from I-65, making it easy to access Nashville and Middle Tennessee. Within minutes, you'll enjoy grocery shopping, access to medical facilities, and outdoor recreation at the White House Municipal Park and Rovers Ridge Dog Park. Does the Fields at Oakwood sound like a place that you'd like to learn more about? Take the next step, come and see me. I can't wait to welcome you home.